How to unblock an email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down to the end and go to Blocked Contacts. You can view all your blocked contacts and emails over here. If you want to unblock an email from here, then hold that email and swipe left. Here, tap on Unblock beside. You have now successfully unblocked this email. You can repeat this to unblock the other contacts as well. Following these steps, you can easily unblock an email on iPhone.